What's up, guys? Normally I should be doing an intro right in front of my car, about to do the work with a lot of enthusiasm. I was trying to edit just now and I realized I forgot to take the intro. I don't even know how that even happened, but I don't have an intro and I have to make one like right now. Anyway, so as the title says, today I'm gonna be doing vinyl wrapping, gone wrong. You guys will understand. Just keep on watching. All right, peace out.
There's something missing from my bed. I'm staring at the ceiling, can't remember what I said. Let me whisper in your ear. I'm sitting here alone, but I wish that you were here. I'm feeling like I messed up and I'm sorry. I look up and my vision's getting starry. Wrapped up in my head, think back all the time about the things I never said. Look up and my vision's getting starry. Wrapped up in my head, think back all the time about the things I never said.
I just finished wrapping and it's been about maybe 2 hours since I finished. I just left it in the sun for like 2 hours to make sure my wrap will intact. I'm gonna be probably cleaning the interior a little bit, mine as well, because I was thinking about washing the car for the final reveal. I know washing the car is probably not the good idea, but to show the final reveal, I didn't want my car to be dirty, so probably a bad idea, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So let's just get right in with the interior cleaning. Sorry, my camera battery died, so I'm gonna be doing my outro with my phone. But anyway, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I know my wrapping skill wasn't like the best, but I tried my best to make it work. I think it came out pretty good after 4 hours. I just washed it. It was no problem, didn't peel off, anything like that. But yeah, this was a really cool mod. I feel like it looks very JDM now and I'm really happy with it. So, and hopefully you guys can follow all my social media and give it a thumbs up if you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.